correct? So first you get to know noun, fine, you get to know noun. Here it's basically three things. Arabic contains three parts, this noun, verb and letter, correct? Okay. Yeah, out of these two, you start, start with noun. So noun, after getting them, know how get to know or recognize noun by their symbol. Recognizing nouns by symbols, right? Recognize how by symbols, right? That's called alamatul ism, after recognizing them, like their Ehrab, see here endings, all these endings all are Ehrab. Rasulin, double kasra appears in mahfuzin, bashirun, double zamma. This way. See in Arabic text or Arabic words. See ghayra baytin, double kasra, right? Adabal, adaba, fatha, alima, fatha. So this is these are signs and signs on end, fine, not the remaining part. This, if we say here muslimina, in then there is fatha, there is remaining part. Those signs in other, that is other study. This is only study of last sign, fine. So first you recognize noun with their symbols and then giving it right endings, right signs. It calls Ehrab. Giving right signs are Ehrab, fine. Yeah, according signs, Ehrab. So this is also you completed exercise of Ehrab. Then you keep some change in Ehrab. Okay, keep some change. What I said, keep some change in Ehrab. See the according Ehrab is here. Listen, there are three cases of Ehrab. Fine, Ehrab. I mean when a fatha takes place. Fine, fatha sign is given, or fatha is read on a word. Fatha is read, or kasra is read, right or not? I'm typing. Listen to it very carefully. It's important. I mean, yeah, kasra is read, or third case, third is zamma is read. Three signs can be read, right? There is only three signs. These are three signs. If you see any sign in Arabic, that is backbone of Arabic language. In these three questions, right? See here, I highlight any word. Let me. Okay, I will ask. You will answer. Here, see what sign is read here on this, the noun mulim. The dhamma, the double zamma is read, right? Mulimun. Here, fil yammi. Which sign is read? Its kasra is read. So this is kasra. Fine. It takes kasra. And alima. What sign is given? Fatha. Fatha is read in the end, right or not, Hamdi? You getting the point or not? Getting it, right? Yeah. So these endings, these are when fatha is read, because this is art where you learn giving sign, like which sign is read, what sign do I read, or which sign is to be given to a noun, which sign is read on ending of noun. Fine, this is an art. These are two studies. This I will highlight again, important. Listen, I mean, see very carefully. This is a complete word, muslimina. This is the ending, and this is the remaining part. So and the end and remaining part, these both are different studies. There are different studies for each. The last part, sign of last part, and then sign of the remaining part, all these. So these signs, that's a separate study. It's called sarf, and this study is called nahaw, that deals with these last era. Fine. So when a fatha is read, this is called, okay, remember that, never forget it. Nasab, case of nasab, fine. Case of nasab. When kasra is read, fine. When kasra is given to a noun, that is called case of jar. Okay, kasra, fatha, kasra. Yeah, and then when zamma is read, that is case of what? Zamma is read, or where zamma is given to a noun, that is case of raf. Case of raf. Fine. Case of nasb, jar, and raf. Nasb, jar, raf. So here, fatha, kasra, zamma. Ehrab appears in three forms. Fine. What I said? Ehrab appears in three forms. From fatha, or in shape of kasra, in shape of zamma. When it is read in like fatha is read, that is case of nasb. For example, here see, I mean, see one example here. Which sign is read on this sign? Yam. This is a noun. Kasra is read, right? So it's the case of jar. See, harful jar is there. that is making case of jar. Okay, this is zamma idhar. So this way. So case of rafa nasab jar, and you have learned all Arab, how to give a Arab. We can